Thanks for dropping by. You can see them in my Google Calendar client here on the left. On the right is my calendar snack for Greg at techvader.com. He has already created a calendar snack by using his Google or Outlook client. In this case here, it's obvious I've used a Google client. That's who I am right up there in my Google client, and this Google client is a calendar client. The create command's already been used. This is how I got over here, and I use something called the VIP list and send out this calendar invite to 8 people in a sample. Here you can see that these eight people, have interacted with their calendar clients and have said maybe yes and maybe a couple no actions and then maybe yes. So what I'm going to show you live here is I'm going back to the original event, which I used my calendar client to create the calendar snack just by using this copy command. That generated the calendar snack, and that's report them in. Now the update works really simple. You're going to go back to the original calendar client that you used and the original event, which is right here. And so I'm going to walk through a scenario whereby I'm going to edit this. And under edit function, I'm going to change the time start. I'm actually going to change the date. I'm going to move it down the line a little bit. I'm going to change a couple of things here. We'll say it's the 22nd through the 23rd. And you're going to see how our technology works live. I'm going to say yes, hit a save and a send. Actually, I'm going to go back to editing and just put this up here as an update. And you'll see what happens here next, that our technology automates a sequence of events over here on the Calendar Snack reporting engine and then out to the customers that have accepted or said maybe to the event. So I'm going to go back here, I'm going to refresh it, and you're going to see the refresh show here in the details. You'll hear that I've changed it here to the 22nd. Originally it was scheduled for, let's zoom in here, the 13th. Let's go to 100% real quick. You'll see that I originally had it here for the 13th. These are some of the calendar snapshots. Again, it was AW's event, June 13th, Tuesday. We changed it here live in the theater. You saw the update come across. It's now 22nd to 23rd. It's updated here. The detail report will be reflective of the update. But the coolest thing is the calendar clients themselves now received a update. And so here, we'll go back to it and you'll see that Chris, who had said he was coming to the event in a maybe or a yes, you'll see that he's been asked to re-engage with the calendar client and ask if he's coming again because the event itself has been updated. So Chris is going to say yes, he's going to come for sure. It has been changed as indicated here, but that's okay to Chris. Things change, updates happen is the point. I'm going to refresh the screen here because it was not refreshed. You'll see the update come through for Zach here. This is Zach here. Go back to the original event. It's been updated. You'll see it here. Zach's not sure. He's going to say maybe. I'm going to go back here to the panel. You'll see the updates occur here in the report. Zach was yes before on the 13th, but Zach now knows that this event's been changed here to the 22nd. I'm going to refresh the screen and the event engine should reflect that. It takes a second here to update live. Again, back to this is Zach here. This is Zach down here. Again, he said yes before. Now he said maybe. And now it's maybe. That's how our tech stack works. It's pretty cool stuff. I encourage you to come by and check us out. Thanks.